Sama-sama tayo tumutok at alamin ang kalagayan ng bansa ayon kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kasamang News Authority ng Filipino State of the Nation Address 2024, the GMA Integrated News.
Good day, I am Bobby M. Amarili,
And I'm here, Campomanes.
and we are from BSF 1A. And we are going to discuss about the questions that we are given in this activity.
According to the State of the Nation Address of July 22, 2024 of President Bongbong Marcos,
Which of the President legislative agenda do you think should be the top 5 priority?
in my opinion, I think the top 5 priorities should be environmental sustainability to reduce pollution by increasing the use of renewable resources, healthcare to ensure better access to quality healthcare for all citizens, infrastructure and transportation to ease traffic and to reduce travel time and for convenience, for poverty reduction to increase the income of the many working citizens, and most importantly, education to enhance the knowledge of STEM and the digital literacy to prepare the youth for future job markets. So what about you, Bobby?
For me, personally, the top 5 priorities of the President legislative agenda is the economic recovery, infrastructure development, agricultural reform, educational system reform, and healthcare enhancement.
So second question, do you think there is a need to revise the present education system of the country?
Yes, there is a need to revise the current education system to better prepare students for the modern workforce. This includes updating curriculums to integrate more technology and critical thinking skills, improving teacher training to ensure high quality education, and making education more accessible through digital platforms. And finally, based on the SONA, what is the technology role in the nation building for you here?
Well, in the State of the Nation Address, technology was emphasized as a vital driver for national progress. That means we have upgraded equipment for everything we have. So, what about your thoughts in this one?
Technology plays a crucial role in the nation building by improving efficiency's role in various sectors, enhancing communication, and providing data for better decision making. In education, technology can bridge learning gaps. In healthcare, it can be expand services, reach and improve patient care. In governance, it can increase transparency and citizens' engagement.